Who is better at recreating the Odyssey, Grok Imagine 1.5 or Seedance 2.0? Well, that today, guys, is going to be what we figure out. So first, we are going to start with the Cyclops scene in Odyssey, and this is going to be a little bit of a fight scene. We're going to put the prompt in, and we're going to see what it turns out to be. We're going to do this in Grok, and we're going to do this in Seadance. Now, you can see we're in Germina, and we are going to do Seedance 2.0, and 720, 10 seconds long. Here we go. Okay, the Grok generation is now done. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's cool. Why is that guy fighting that guy? Okay. So some mysterious force just kind of knocked him out of there, and I guess it was just a little that imaginary spear that hit him. But okay, so there's what Grok did. That's honestly not bad. The graphics are great. We know that Grok isn't the best when it comes to physical contact, but that is it. Let's go check what Seadance did. Okay, Seadance is done. Let's check it out. Okay. So really scary looking, but doesn't really do anything. They don't attack each other. Nothing really happens. So definitely going to give that one to Grok. That's really unlike Seadance. Let's check the next clip, see what they can do. Okay, Grok's Poseidon video is now done. Let's check it out.
Hold fast, men. Poseidon rages. The wave is too strong.
Ooh.
Fight the storm.
That looked
We
cool.
will not yield. The trident, it struck the sea. Hold fast, men. Poseidon
okay,
rages.
so
the wave is too
the guy's doing a whole lot of talking. It's not very good acting. You know, this is supposed to be like a movie scene. Poseidon back there looks awesome. That's for sure. But everything else looks awesome besides the acting. The acting is just not good. We'll see what Seadance did. Okay, Seadance 2.0 is done. Interesting, though, Poseidon's not in the video, even though I told it to use it at the beginning. So let's see what happens. Oh, okay, there he is. Oh, man. What? What? Why? Why? It didn't even... Oh, that looked like it was going to be so cool. That looked like it was going to be so cool, but it didn't. I mean, that's not the prompt I gave it. I told it to definitely... Yeah, okay, so I said Poseidon strikes down at the ship with lightning and causes another massive wave, which that's exactly what Grok did, but I don't know. Seedance 2.0 is not doing it. Okay, Grok's Trojan Horse scene is done. Let's check it out.
For Troy.
Okay. Wow, that's actually really good. That's really good.
For Troy.
Okay, so Grok Imagine 1.5 is really pulling through, man. This is pretty good. Let's check out and see what Seedance 2.0 did. All right, Seedance is done. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna have to give this. I'm gonna have to give this to Grok, guys. Grok, I think, overperformed in all three of them. I know that sometimes Grok didn't do things right, but there was mistakes on both sides. And honestly, it's just even this scene right here, like there's not even a lot of action. The Grok one had a lot more action. So between Seedance 2.0 and Grok Imagine 1.5, I am giving this to Grok Imagine 1.5 for the recreation of Odyssey. Tell me what you guys think down below. If you agree, thank you for subscribing and liking. I'll see you all in the next one.